Dear students, welcome back to social science class again. In this session, we are going to discuss more about the second political science chapter, the role of government in health. In that, health care and equality. In India, private services are increasing at a much faster rate than public services. People have easier access to private services. These are mostly concentrated in urban areas. As the services are run for the profit, the cost of these services is high. Therefore, many people cannot afford them or have to borrow money when they are ill. 40% of people who are admitted to the hospital for some illness have to borrow money or sell some of their possessions to pay for their medical expenses. In order to earn more money, private doctors prescribe unnecessary medicines, injections, saline bottles, and expensive tests which are not needed. In fact, hardly 20% of people can afford private medical treatment. Poor people are more prone to illness, anxiety and distress because, first one, they are undernourished. Second one, they are not provided basic necessities like clean drinking water, adequate housing, clean surroundings, etc. Third one, the expenses on illness add to their anxiety and distress. Women's health concerns are considered to be less important than the health of men in the family. This prevents women from getting proper medical treatment. In tribal areas and remote parts, even private health services are not available. What can be done? Health is much depend on healthcare services as on basic amenities and socio-economic conditions of people. Therefore, in spite of availability of huge medical facilities, we are not able to provide good health to all people. Following example seems to provide answers to the problems. So here we have two problems, especially Kerala experience and Costa Rican approach. So first of all, Kerala experience. In 1996, the Kerala government directly gave 40% of the entire budget of the state to the panchayats. They made their own planning to solve the problems related to food, water, education, women's development. As a result, water supply system was improved, proper working of schools and Anganwadis was ensured, specific problems of villages were solved, health centers were improved. All these led to the better health of people in Kerala. Then another example is Costa Rican approach. Costa Rica is one of the healthiest countries of South America. This is because of very important decision taken by the government. The government decided not to have an army. The entire defense budget was derived or diverted to development of health, education and providing other basic amenities to people. The government provides safe drinking water, sanitation, nutritious food and housing. In this way, Costa Rica became one of the most healthiest country of South America. These are the two examples. So dear students, we finished the chapter. You must read the textbook carefully and attend the live session. Thank you.